Children, we are discussing Maths 2A complex numbers. First problem is if z is equals to cos theta sin theta, then find z minus 1 by z. So what is the z? Z is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. This is in the form of a plus I into b. This is complex number form. What is a? We can write cos theta. B we can write sin theta. So this cos theta comma sin theta we can write cos theta plus I sin theta also. So 1 by z means 1 by z is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta, writing rationalizing the denominator. Means here plus means we have to take minus sign and we multiply and divide. So cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta minus I sin theta upon cos theta minus I sin theta. 1 into cos theta minus I sin theta is cos theta minus I sin theta. So when you observe these denominators, these two are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So what is a here? Cos theta. What is b? I into sin theta. So a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. A square means cos square theta minus b square means I sin theta whole square. We will get I square sin square theta. So what is the value of I square? I square is equals to minus 1. So cos theta minus I sin theta upon cos square theta. This I square plus we are writing minus 1. Minus into minus plus sin square theta. We know the trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So cos theta minus I sin theta upon 1 is cos theta minus I sin theta. So this is the value of 1 by z. So what we have to find in problem? Z minus 1 by z. So z minus 1 by z is equals to z is cos theta plus I sin theta minus 1 by z is equals to cos theta minus I sin theta, writing here. So when you multiply with minus, you will get minus cos theta. This minus into minus plus I sin theta. So this cos theta is positive, this cos theta is negative, both gets cancelled. Minus into minus plus I sin theta plus I sin theta is 2I sin theta. So z minus 1 by z is equals to 2I sin theta. There is no real part. Real part is not there, means what we take? 0. 0 comma 2 sin theta. Children's, discussing second problem, permutations and combinations. Question is simplify 34c5 plus sigma r is equals to 0 to 4, 38 minus r c4. So take the question 34c5 plus summation r is equal to 0 to 4, 38 minus r c4. So here r is equals to 0 to 4 means once we substitute r place 0 to 4. So 38 minus 0 you will get 38. c4 is c4. Once we substitute r plus 1, 38 minus 1 is nothing but 37 c4 plus after 1 we will get 2. r is equals to 2 if you substitute in r place. 38 minus 2 is 36 c4 plus r is equals to 3 if you substitute. 38 minus 3 is 35 c4. Next plus what is the last number? 4. 38 minus 4 is 34 c4. There is a formula. What is the formula? This formula you have to keep it in mind. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to n plus 1 CR. Now you compare this 34 c5 plus 34 c4 with this formula. Listen to me carefully. N is what? 34. C is C only. R is equals to 5. Here R minus 1 means 5 minus 1 you will get 4. So these two are in the form of this form. So where we can write n plus 1 CR. Following children. So 34 C5 plus 34 C4 are in the form of this one. We can write n plus 1. What is n? 34. 34 plus 1 is 35. C5 and sending this 34 C4 inside. So we will get 35 C5 plus 35 C4. Again this is in the form of this form only, where n is 35, c is c, r is equals to 5, r minus 1 means 5 minus 1 which is 4. So where we can write n plus 1. N plus 1 means what? 35 plus 1 is 36. C, what is r? 5. So that is what 36 C5 will get. Plus sending this 36 C4 inside. Again these are in the form of this form only. We will get n plus 1 CR. According to that, if you simplify this, we will get 35 C5. Sending this 37 C4 inside and 38 C4 writing as it is. So again this is in the form of this formula only. We will get 38 C5 plus again sending this 38 C4 inside. We will get 38 C5 plus 38 C4 is 39 C5. Thank you children.